Are you looking for the best budget electric scooters for kids? In this video we will look at some of the best budget electric scooters for kids on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Segway Ninebot C2 Pro Electric Scooter. The C2 Pro is the K100 Max's closest competitor. Similar battery capacity at around 108 Wh, same 150W motor, same 7-inch hollow tires, same adjustable handlebars. And it costs less. The Segway name carries weight here, and the build quality backs it up. This scooter is sturdy through and through. The RGB underglow syncs to the Bluetooth speaker, and honestly, it's the kind of thing that gets a kid off the couch and actually riding. Not a safety feature, won't help on hills, but it drives daily use in a way that specs don't. The C2 Pro doesn't have GPS tracking or ride history in the app. You can still set speed limits and manage ride modes, but that's about it compared to the Navee. The max load is also 110 pounds versus the Navee's 132 pounds, which could matter if your kid is bigger or you want the scooter to last into their teens. No proper front or rear lights either, just the ambient deck LEDs and reflectors. If your kid rides in the evening at all, add some clip-on bike lights. We measured 7.8 miles of real range, right behind the K100 Max and well ahead of everything else here. On smooth pavement and bike paths, it rides great. Rougher sidewalks with cracks and expansion joints feel bumpier, but that goes for every kid's scooter. Number 2. Navee K100 Pro Electric Scooter. The K100 Pro gives you the same Navee app as the K100 Max speed limiting, mode locking, ride history. If you want control over how fast your kid can go and want to gradually unlock more speed as their skills develop, this is the most affordable way to get it. The 3 riding modes start at around 7.5 miles per hour and top out around 9.9 miles per hour. The adjustable handlebars fit riders from 3'9" to 5'7", so a kid who starts riding at 8 can still be comfortable at 12 or 13. The fold makes it easy to toss in the trunk, which sounds minor until you've tried fitting a non-folding scooter in a packed car. The trade-off is the battery. At 55 Wh, it's the same capacity as every other budget scooter on this list. We got 4.3 miles before it died, which is fine for park sessions and loops around the block but won't last a full afternoon. And that's the awkward spot the K100 Pro sits in. For a bit more you get the K100 Max with double the battery, GPS tracking, and a speaker. For a good bit less you get the Gyroor Comet with similar range and a speaker, just without the app controls. The K100 Pro makes the most sense if you specifically want the Navee app but don't want to stretch to K100 Max money. Number 3. Segway Ninebot C2 Lite Electric Scooter. The C2 Lite is the lightest scooter on this list, and it shows in how easy it is for a kid to handle. At 17.2 pounds it's manageable in a way that the heavier models here aren't, especially for a smaller 8 or 9-year-old just getting started. The lower 120W motor keeps things more tame than the 150W models, which is actually a good thing for newer riders. In our testing it topped out at 9 miles per hour, and the slower 7.5 mph mode gives beginners a sensible starting point. Left-hand brakes, right thumb throttle. My nephew had it figured out in about 2 minutes. The 256 color underglow looks cool and kids love it, but like the C2 Pro, there's no proper headlight or taillight, just ambient LEDs and reflectors. Keep this one to daylight riding, or add some clip-on lights. The biggest limitation is the lack of adjustable handlebars. The fit range tops out around 4'8", which means most kids will outgrow it by 10 or 11. It's a starter scooter, and a very good one, but go in knowing that. Range was 4.2 miles in our tests, right in line with every other 55 Wh scooter here. Enough for neighborhood loops and park sessions. Hills are where it struggles, but that's the reality of a 120W motor. Number 4. FanttikRide C9 Pro Kids Electric Scooter. This kid's scooter is equipped with 5 unique flash patterns. The integrated LED lights near the pedals ensure your child stands out day or night. This added visibility brings peace of mind by alerting others on the road, making every ride as safe as it is exciting. The electric scooter for kids can choose from 3 speed settings, 5, 8, or 10 miles per hour, to match your child's skill level. The handy LED display puts key information up front, from battery status and pedal mode to your current speed. Customize your child's ride for optimal comfort and control. The handlebar of this kid's electric scooter adjusts to 3 exact heights: 31.7, 34.1, or 36.5 inches to accommodate a height range of 3.9 to 5.2 feet. It's ideally suited for kids aged 8 to 12, supporting up to 132 pounds 60 kilograms. This electric scooter is built for easy portability. With minimal setup and a one-step folding system, it can be unfolded for adventure or stowed away in seconds. Its compact design is ideal for tight car trunks or commuting on buses. This scooter is engineered with 6 anti-skid rubber wheels for superior traction and a rear fender brake for immediate response. Kids weight 110 pounds riding this electric scooter will travel 5 miles. Number 5. Gyroor H30 Max Electric Scooter. The Gyroor H30 Max Kids Electric Scooter is equipped with a 21.6 V/2.6Ah battery. The 150W motor offers speeds of 6/8/10 mph and handles climbs of up to 10 degrees, supporting a maximum weight of 132 pounds. This high-performance motorized scooter promises an exhilarating riding experience. The electric scooter for kids boasts a dual brake system comprising an electronic brake and a foot brake. Even at high speeds, it can come to a complete stop within a short distance. Additionally, the rear fender brake on these electric scooters for kids aged 8 to 12 helps prevent splashes from rain and mud. Designed for kids ages 6 to 14, this electric scooter is equipped with flashy lights on the panel. It also features a built-in Bluetooth speaker on the bottom of the panel, allowing you to connect your phone and play music. Enjoy your rides on this top-rated electric scooter for kids while immersing yourself in your favorite tunes. The kids' electric scooter offers adjustable height options of 34, 36, 38. The electronic throttle is conveniently located on the right side of the handlebar. With a net weight of only 13.2 pounds, this motorized scooter for kids aged 6 to 12 boasts a lightweight and convenient design, making it easy for kids to ride.